Welcome to our channel. Today we how to design high-value consulting packages, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Identify your target audience and their specific needs. Research the problems they face and the solutions they seek. Analyze your own expertise and the services you can provide. Outline the core areas of your consulting services. Determine the unique value you bring to the table. Create a list of potential packages based on your core services. Define the outcomes your clients can expect from each package. Set clear goals for each consulting package. Consider including different tiers or levels of service to appeal to a wider audience. Price your packages based on the value provided, not just time spent. Test your packages on a small group of clients for feedback. Refine your offerings based on the feedback received. Communicate the benefits of each package clearly and concisely. Develop marketing materials that showcase your consulting packages. Utilize social media and online platforms to generate interest and reach your audience. Continuously evaluate and adjust your packages based on market demand. Keep an eye on industry trends to stay competitive and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.